Okay. Okay, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome back to another mukbang on a farm.
Oh my gosh.
It's in a series of nature mukbangs.
We worked so hard today. That's why we don't have cooking video. If we cooked, we will never make it. You guys, behind us,
true.
we've been working the whole day from 10 o'clock in the morning. So
I know somebody wakes up at 5, but for us it's whole day.
I couldn't sleep. What to do? This is
Let me show
dry beef. Not dry beef, like just beef. Boil it and fry, dry fry.
Watch out, that's gonna spill if you wanna show them.
Oh, this one is just dal and charred greens.
Salad.
Salad from the farm.
Oh
Hey,
yeah.
hey.
Everything from the farm except the
Let me take
tomatoes and onions and
No, onions also from the farm. Except the
wonderful.
tomatoes. Everything from the farm, baby.
Farm life.
Let's start eating.
Let's,
We worked so hard. We deserve a good meal.
yes, that's true, baby.
So today we plant a lot of beans. All the beans that my sister brought. And some snow peas. Yeah. And what's the other one, baby? Lady's finger. Okay, we're gonna use this. This beef is going to be so good. This was inspired by one eating show. Tangkhul lady, beautiful lady who do mukbang. Please go check her out, you guys. She's awesome. She's eating all the things that you guys like to see: pork, shoibum, eromba, and all the stuff. She's amazing. Please go check her out, you guys. I'm sure you're gonna like this beef, baby. Is it good? No?
Very good.
Bon appetit, everybody.
Bon appetit, buddies.
Bon appetit, buddies. We're gonna eat too.
What's the lady that you see it from?
Which one? This menu? One?
A what? If you watch, I want. Thank you.
Is it good?
You know, guys, my wife is on, I told you, on YouTube all day, watching other mukbangs, Instagrams, shows, what's happening in Hollywood. No. But anyway, she finds out a lot of new ideas through watching those things.
Because we learn from each other.
But also, we never own it. So
No.
we always say who inspired us and who told us. I mean, who we saw it from.
Some people doesn't like to say that, oh, I learned this recipe from someone. We always learn from each other.
Yeah. It's always good to, to give a credit to so who you saw it from. Even if he
That's true.
saw it somewhere, but you saw it from him. That's only fair saying, hey, I saw it from him, and then I do my twist, and then I make it.
Yeah. Thank you, Awan. One eating show. She's doing really good on YouTube.
Nice.
Tangkhul natin. Support ka sa amin, no? One eating show. Shout out. Two shout outs. I have 2 shout outs. You see, sometimes when you're so much into food, you forgot.
You forgot.
We were working so hard today, you guys. This is NT-LKR's son, Putosen.
Futosan.
His birthday is on 4th April.
Soon.
So, Putosen, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Have a good one. And this is Radha Nishi's baby's 2-month-old baby, Nira.
Hi, Radha. Hi,
Rini.
Nira.
So happy birthday, Nira. Many more to come.
No talk, silence.
Do you seriously like it?
Baby.
I don't have complaints as long as there is dal for me. And greens.
I don't have complaints. No need la. Make some salad, baby.
Ngasidigo, tabakyam daw eh. Hawaii ko bro, normal green beans to show. Manipuri na khangde adudi. Hawaii yam thagre beans to go. Yam daw eh. Ngasidig tabak. Magu jabi shu thagre. Kara singju gidamak. Hujikdi sharena. Kara thengre. Odo shu mana janingai ko. Imphal ke weather na kwai da ki phaya. I think Imphal has one of the best weather, baby.
Who?
Imphal. You remember those mustard greens that I showed you in December? How they're growing?
How hot is it during the winter?
Hot? In Imphal? I think it cools down, but it never goes zero. Like the way it went, it goes down in the hilly areas.
Mountains.
Like in my village, another village.
Okay, guys. The distinction between hill and a mountain is that hill is up to 500 meters of above sea level, and above that is all mountain. Even if it's 501, it's going to be a mountain.
Going home. Birds are going home. I think.
Who knows where they
Maybe.
are? I don't know what to eat first, baby.
What do you mean?
Salad or meat?
They want you to do the salad mukbang.
What? What?
Salad mukbang.
What you want me to do? Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna do salad mukbang.
Only under one condition.
Like what?
I want everybody to love each other.
Takapse.
If you ask me of this, I ask you
Kapag
that.
yam daw yung ngasidig. Tsak yam chan. You're good with the rice.
I'm good with the rice.
Yeah? You want some?
No,
No?
no.
Why not, baby?
Because I'm
It's
full
from the
already.
farm.
Full already, baby.
Okay.
It's a lot of salad.
Yeah, you did. I can cook this recipe again, but if you want to know, please go to only one eating show and check out the
Spell
recipe.
it, baby. Spell it for them.
One, not one like Serbian
Spell
will say.
it.
I will put it down here. If you still want to know how I did it, I just boiled the meat with some bay leaves and black pepper and garlic. And when they are like almost cooked, I took it out, cut them up into small slices, and then add some salt and chili powder, and then just marinate it for like 30 minutes, and then just fry with oil. Chili powder. It looks red. That's because it's Kashmiri chili powder, guys. It's not spicy, okay?
That's for color.
It's just for color. And add some onion and garlic. You can always add more, whatever you want. Ngasi di mo are ko. Do do bi ya da bang ngasi. Ngasi tha de di khra kheng la nya. Hujik si April lakre. Do hujik tha de di yam theng la nya. Do gi thbak yam da weng si di ko. Do khra wa ai ni ba thbak to bai hei da ba ge. Ai ju hei de. Do mana nu ga hen hei de. Actually, we don't know how to work on the farm. More than me, you don't know.
Well, who is there to judge us, baby?
That's why we
Accept everybody.
take time to finish.
Our guardian dogs.
And shout out to Vina. Next mukbang is veg mukbang, okay? Because you asked for it.
Who?
Vina, someone, Vina. We're gonna do veg mukbang.
Have you ever survived this one?
Babe, easy, huh?
Never, baby.
You wanna finish this? No?
I don't know if I can finish.
This lettuce is from the farm. We can start eating already. This is the beauty of growing your own vegetables. Ghost pepper was spicy. Oh my gosh, look at my hand. Like a small kid in winter. So dry. Thbak to ba da glove shoe hap hay de. Tum khut na to ko.
I was speechless for 20 minutes.
Why?
It's good.
Finish the meat if you want. I had 2 pieces, that's enough for me. Can't eat more than that.
Okay.
Ăn được vợ. Thì vẫn thấy là món thấy chứ. Mình sân da. Lingạn này mới lingạn cái chuyện mới thêm đó xin mặc phone xa cái bác bị cắm xong đó Germany đi chuẩn bị em đã cái này sai sai á ari miếng sai sa lingạn này cái đó không xin này cho anh này linh sân khéo đó sao mà xưa nãy đó cái sai gì đã đâu mà sao mộng này vậy đó. Aja bag hay may thay turbot Khô lọc thề. Những vấn đề mỏng thề. Đó là xin muối nè. Những sống sót đây. Con đi rồi những phát này. Mẹ bái được sang ai ra. Con bố sang ai ra. Can you make out when I'm speaking Tangkhul or Manipuri, baby? You do? Oh. How does it sound like? Chinese?
No. Tangkhul is like more like a hilly language with a
More expression with the
with the
sound.
yelling. Yeah? Like you are talking to somebody on the other hill. And the other one is just word by word by word by word.
That's also because I was not very confident talking the other language, I think. Yeah?
Yeah. But quite possible. Oh, just
Your lips so red, baby.
because I'm full of love. I'm gonna come back.
Babe. Baby. Give me. Here.
Wait, I can. I'm just trying to figure out, do I do the hand or the nose first?
That's why I decided for you.
And then you wipe my mouth. Now give me more of that, baby.
We're gonna wash our hand later.
Oh,
Enjoy so much.
look at my lips. Anyway, thank you for coming and watching with us. And
If you're thinking that my husband is
crazy as he
shrinking, yeah, he's shrinking.
is. Shrinking.
Yeah. Look, honey, you're so small. Oh, why are you so small?
I don't know, baby. Hi, everybody.
Let's go. We're gonna come back again
Saturday,
very soon.
Yeah.
No, Saturday it's gonna rain, honey, I think.
It's gonna rain.
The rest of the plot, we're going to plant those saplings with the chilies and Peter eggplants. If they
Yeah.
grow, if they don't grow, we're gonna order from online. So yeah,
Yes.
thanks so
Wow.
much for
Watching.
watching us again, and sorry that we don't have any cooking session, but if you're really interested in this one, this was inspired by one eating show, but so please go check it out. I will leave her link down below.
Subscribe.
She's awesome.
Subscribe here, please. Here.
And subscribe to us too if you're not already did, and
If you're not already
like
did.
us
Instagram.
if you
and
enjoy it.
Vlog.
Follow us on Instagram, the vlog, please, and
Yes,
support us.
thank you very much, guys.
See you in our next mukbang.
Wow, the sun is really shiny.
Bye. Have a nice day, everybody.
Well, bye.
Bye.